What's going on, guys? It's Girl Fashionista. I'm back to showcase some CCs for the feetsies. Just letting you guys know, these are some of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever owned. Some of you may have seen my Gucci video. Yeah. It is a bit different when I'm putting these on. Usually luxury means less for more. So I was really pleased to have these sneakers really surprise me. Just enjoy my unboxing, and hey, maybe you guys will try them out for yourself and let me know what you think. I'm wearing them right now, so check them out. I know I didn't forget announcing my subscriber only giveaway. So there are 4 rules to my contest, okay? So it's straightforward, to the point. 4 rules. These are real rules that you have to adhere to in order to win the prize. Must be a subscriber of mine on YouTube. Like this video. Watch 3 of my videos. Leave a quote from each video as a comment in this video. So 3 quotes total for this video. Don't worry, my comments will be now on private, so no one can copy you and submit to, just to be fair. Follow me on Instagram. Prizes are as follows. The winners will be randomly selected from all eligible entries. I'll be announcing the winners right before Christmas, of course. As a subscriber, you'll hit that bell and be notified of the winners. And all these will be listed in the bottom of the doobly-doobly, so please look in there if you're not so sure about how to enter. And that's it. So if you adhere to all of these, then you can have an entry. All entries must be submitted by the day of December 22nd. So if you're any later than that, you will not be accepted, sorry.